In this video, we're gonna check if a Huawei MatePad 10.4 2022 has a stereo speakers. So in order to do this, first we'll need to locate all of the speakers on this tablet, and they are right here on the sides. There's one, there's a second one, and on the other side there are as well. So there's 4 speakers. Now we're gonna cover each of the speaker and see if the sound is coming from all of them. If the sound is coming from all of them, that means this tablet has a stereo speakers, and if the sound is coming from only one, this means it's a mono speaker. So now let's play some music and try covering the speakers. So clearly sound is coming from all of the speakers, because if we cover them I can even feel it. So this means this tablet has a stereo speakers. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.